Hello everybody, today I will be playing Pixel Gun 3D. I actually already beat the campaign, but I only want to play it once again. And I already have powerful weapons. Anyways, okay, I'm still recording. Sorry, I have to check. Sometimes my recording fails and I never get it to post on YouTube. Anyways, yeah, if you don't know Pixel Gun 3D, then don't watch this because this will have spoilers for Pixel Gun 3D. Yes, if you don't know Pixel Gun 3D, this would be spoilers. Yeah. Anyways, let's wait it for I'm just gonna skip when it's already loaded. But then make sure you stay on. Wait there. Welcome back, guys. Anyways, it's finished loading now. And let's wait for it. Come on. I know you're finished loading. You look at your percent. It's already 98. Why not 69? Oh, finally. There. Anyways, this is my character. I'm already at the very last league. The Adamant League. But I'm still level 21. Yes. I am not that good. Or am I? Anyway, this is my weapon. A UP2 solar power cannon, which is a legendary type. And these are my premium weapons. Oh, don't look at this one. Don't look at the blah blah. This is my first one. As all of you get the signal pistol. Then I get this from the last level in the last world of the campaign. And I use this grenade launcher just to defeat the player. But then after that, I started playing multiplayer, which is when I bought the demo van and this solar power cannon. I still only have this sniper. But then, after a few weeks, I bought the Data Hater. And in its name, I liked it. Even though it says Hater. And then, I saw the Thunder Spell. I was like, holy crap, I need that. But then, after a few weeks of buying the Thunder Spell, I went in by the Electro Ballast Rifle. They're just both the same thing. For my special, I always have this simple flamethrower. And then, suddenly, in the lucky chest, I got this mythical ore emitter. Yeah, but then, I only bought Snowball. Yeah. For my melee, of course, you first get combat knife. Then I bought the hockey stick, which is bad idea. Then I bought fire orb, which is a much more good idea. Here then, I only had the pixel gun. But then now, I have this nuclear revolver. Awesome, isn't it? And now for my primary, I only had this, the simple shotgun. And then I got this, the simple machine gun. And then when I connected to Facebook, I got this, the social media. I want to buy this one, but then no, I don't want to. So then, instead, I bought Hellraiser. Anyways, my armor right now is light golden armor. Yes. I still want upgrade to medium, but then I think after a few days or so. Oh, and for my helmet, I got this from the Lucky Chest. My mask from the Lucky Chest. You can just pause the video to see. My cape, I got it from Cape Editor. And it's a Jacksepticeye if you don't know. Ah! I should have not said that. Anyways, and my boots, I got all of these three from the Lucky Chest. Just on this, just pause the video, and this. Just pause the video. Wait a second, guys. What? Anyways, sorry about that, guys. But then I have to be silent now. Anyways, for my skins, I got this. The Storm Wizard. I don't have any fuel except the ones you already unlocked. For the special, I got this. I hate the witch. I wanted just this guy. Slow down. But I don't want to use it because for my premium. Nothing good. Yeah, I made a demo man skin. Yeah. Anyways, let's go. Oh, the Lucky Chest is good. Oh God, please be good, please be good, hallelujah, hallelujah, please be good. Yes, for the grenades. I like those things. Anyways, let's go on multiplayer. My most favorite map is this, Walking Fortresses. Yeah. This is a Star Wars reference if you don't know. I forgot what they call this because it's been a long time since I've seen Star Wars. But yeah. Even the music is Star Wars. What the hell? What the hell is he? I couldn't find him. I'm scared already, guys. Oh my gosh. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Shit. So this. Oh fuck! Damn it. Penalty for football. Really? I still have to get a penalty from that. Got that good though. Anyways, let's just jump into business. Oh shit. Oh shit! Fuck you, bitch. Yeah. Oh no. I need to get the right thing. Please let this be right. Yes, it is the right one. Oh, what the fuck? Gosh damn it. Anyways, let's this. Yes, it is the right one. Yes. Oh no! How did he hit me from when I was far away? What the? Electromagnetic cannoneer. Who the fuck are you? Shit! This is not going well. Gotcha! You son of a bitch. No, who the fuck? Shit. Oh, I got my control. Now didn't die. Oh, what the? Wait, where am I? Holy shit. Got that guy. Anyways, let me oh, I always have to do this. Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Mega. Fuck that son of a bitch. Like, kill me. Shit. Fucking stupid son of a bitch. Look at that. Fuck that shit. Oh my god. Shit, I'm dead again. Got that, dude. Shit, what? No! Oh my god. No, still got him. Ah, shit, we're in defeat. Anyways, guys, I'm just gonna leave this here. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.